Pinjarra. Let's have a look around. Howdy, we're in Waroona now, staying at the Lake Navarino Caravan Park. So let's have a look at our little setup and around the caravan park. Come and have a look at the Hamel Old Hall, situated about 4 kilometres from Waroona. You can come and visit the Hamel Wetlands. Let's have a look around. Let's have a look at Hamel Eco Park. Let's have a look at Low Brook Dam. come and visit the Harvey Dam picnic area. Let's have a look around. Come and check out the Harvey Internment Camp and Memorial Shrine for the prisoners of World War II that lived in Australia. So the Germans, Japanese and the Italians were put here. They were living here and they were put here during World War II and worked on a working camp. And this is the building, and this is the shrine for it all. Thanks. So that's the map of the original camp at Harvey, and was only in use from 1940 to 1942 when Japan entered the World War and they closed the Harvey one down. So this is the shrine they built in 1940. Two Italian prisoners built it. They were stonemasons, and today they built this church around it, this little church, and they refurbed the shrine, and here it is today. So here it is today. They built this little church around it. This is in the same spot, but they've done a refurb on it, and it looks great. Come and visit Yarloop. Let's have a look around. So Yarloop played a big part in WA history as a timber mill and railway workshops, maintenance workshops. And and then 2016 a fire happened, and it destroyed the original workshops. It's very sad. So they're building a site, the new Yarloop workshop precinct here, to commemorate the old workshops. Sadly, it won't be the same, but at least the memory lives on. They're going to have, they salvaged some of the old tools and lathes and all the machinery that helped to build the trains, maintain them into the new precinct. So, okay, let's have a look around Yarloop. Okay, so this is where the workshops were, and they're building that precinct now. You can see the old steam trains, they're very charred. So yeah, the fire did get to the workshop, sad. Have a beer at the Rec Hotel in Waroona. Let's go.